Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we're going to learn how to build a WhatsApp chatbot for gym. So I am an owner of a gym and I receive a lot of inquiries from my potential customers on WhatsApp, and responding to each and one of them manually is very time consuming and hectic. So to solve this, I have created a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. So how this bot works is that as soon as I receive an inquiry from my customers, automatically to them a WhatsApp message is going to be forwarded by this bot. This bot can send them the brochures of the gym plans that I have. With that, it can also send a form link with the help of which the client can book a free trial in my gym. So if you also want to learn how to create this WhatsApp chatbot for yourself for your business, then let me take you to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to build an interactive WhatsApp chatbot for a gym using Pabbly Chatflow. Whether you are managing memberships, booking free trials, or sharing workout plans, the bot can do it all for you. We'll build you step by step to create a dynamic chat experience that collects user information, share plan details, and engages leads like a pro. And the best part, you can do all of that without any manual efforts. You can just simply set it up without writing a single line of code. So now let's dive in to build your own gym bot that works 24/7 for your business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So on the screen, you can see the website of Pabbly Chatflow, that is pabbly.com/chatflow/INR/. After browsing this website, we need to sign into our Pabbly Chatflow account. But if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. So as I'm an existing user, I'm going to sign into my Pabbly Chatflow account. After signing in, you can see the all Pabbly apps in front of you, in which you can see all the products that Pabbly provides, from which we are going to select Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on this Access Now button right over here. Then Pabbly Chatflow's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. In order to create your own bot, we have to create a flow in our account. For creating a flow, from the left side of the panel, we have to go towards this flows section right over here. For that, over here, click on flows and go towards the flows section right here. Then you're going to land towards the flow builder page of your account. After coming to flow builder page, on the left side of the panel, click on this add flow button to create your own new flow. Okay? There you can see over here, a new flow has been created in our Pabbly Chatflow account. Firstly, I'm going to rename the flow. The name over here, I'm going to give it as Gym Bot. Okay, so this is the bot right here. Okay. After giving the name, firstly, it is asking for us to start a flow. Flow is going to be started with a trigger word. So let's suppose we're going to receive a message by our customers as hello, hey, hi, or help. Okay. So according to that, we're going to add the keywords. So let me add keywords as hello. Then I'm going to write over here as hey. Then I'm going to write as hi. Let's suppose I'm going to add it as help. You can add as many keywords as you want in the keyword section right here. Okay. After adding the keywords, so let's suppose now I receive an inquiry from my customer as, can you tell me about the membership plans for your gym? What are the different membership plans for your gym? Can you tell me about any membership plans that you have in your gym? So you can see a single inquiry has been asked to me by my customers in different patterns. But in all those patterns, we have few common words like memberships, gyms, plans, help, inquiries, support. Okay, so we have these all kind of words in it. Now, how can this bot that we are creating using Pabbly Chatflow sense those words out of the different patterns? For that, we are going to use the regex option right here. With the help of regex, we can sense the words from the different statement patterns. Okay. So over here, regex has to be written in a particular pattern. So for the regex, I'm going to write it as. So we have written my regex pattern. It starts with a slash and a small b, then the bracket opens. You can see I've written all the words with the dash in between of all of them. First word is gym, fitness, trial, plan, membership, class, training, muscle, weight, stamina, health, goals, session, schedule, offer, brochure, join, inquiry, contact, support, help, coach, trainer, and visit. You can see over here I've added this pattern for regex right over here. Okay. So in this manner, you need to add your own sensitive regex right here. Now after entering the regex, I'm going to toggle this button on of sensitive regex right here. It is not mandatory to enable the toggle while entering the regex. Enable the toggle for each sensitive regex only, okay? So as now our flow start setup is successfully done, now this bot is going to be triggered by the words that we have entered in the regex or the keywords that we have entered right here. So let's suppose our customer sends us a message and this bot has been triggered by the flow start, okay? So as now this bot is triggered, firstly what I want to do is I want to ask the customer a question. And the question I want to ask is about their full name first so that I can collect the data of them as well with the help of this bot. So now to ask a question, from the left side of the panel, go to actions and you can see an option ask question. Select it, drag it and drop it in this field right over here. Now let us ask the question. For the question, I'm going to write it as... So this is the question that I have right here. Hey there, welcome to FitHub. This is the name of my gym. To get started, may I know your full name? Okay. So firstly, I'm asking for the full name. So I'm going to write the message right here. So now, to store the data of this full name of this customer, I have added a custom field in my Pabbly Chatflow account. So where from the left side of the panel, if you're going to go to the settings option and select this contact custom field, I'm going to open this in a new tab right here. You can see over here the contact custom fields page is going to appear in front of you, and over here I've created a field in the name of full name right over here. And as this bot is asking for the full name, automatically the data of that full name is going to be stored under this contact custom field category right here. So as I want to add this data into full name field, so I'm going to select the contact custom field as full name right here, and the text is going to be the format of this question's answer, okay? So I've selected the contact custom field as full name and the format as text right over here. Then for the number of attempts, I'm going to give only as 1 right here, okay? So after this bot is going to be triggered with this flow start, the first thing is going to be forwarded this question that is asking for the full name of my customer. So now we have to connect this flow start with this question right here. For connecting, go to this point, drag it and connect it to this other point right over here. And as I've connected them, you can see an arrow is between them. This means now the first step is connected to the second step, okay? After knowing the full name of my customer, I want to ask another question. And the question that I want to ask is I want to know their email address. Okay, I want to collect the data of the customer. That is why I want to know about their email address. So now for the question, I'm going to write it as... So this is the other question right here. That is nice to meet you, dollar full name. As now over here, they're going to tell us their full name and we have added that to our contact custom field. We have the record of their data. Now from this record, we have to extract the full name. That is why I've entered as dollar and then I've added the name of the custom field that was full name. Exactly, I've entered that full name right here. So let's suppose a customer answers to this question for the full name as Aditi. So it will say, nice to meet you, Aditi. Okay, as we have added dollar full name right here. It says, could you please share your email address so that we can send you our brochure and offers, okay? So you can see over here it is asking for the email address. The contact custom field is going to be email address and the format is going to be email right here. Number of attempts I'm going to give only as 1 right here, okay? So now I'm going to connect this step to this another question right over here. So after asking for their email and the name, now I want to send them a welcome message with number of options. Now for that, I'm going to simply drag this point from here and drop it in the field. And for the choose content type, I'm going to select it as text button right over here, okay? After that, I'm going to enter a message right over here. For the message, I'm going to write it as... So this is the message that I have over here. If we're going to tally the message, it says, thanks, dollar full name. We've added the name. Where fitness means fun. Level up with your fitness with personal training started at 2,000 per month. Get expert guidance faster and result full support. Would you like to explore our plans? Okay. So over here, this is the welcome message that I've sent towards this customer. And now I want them to explore the plans. For adding the plans, I want to add buttons in this message. So they can select a button according to their requirement. For adding the button, I'm going to click on this add button. And for the text for this first button, I'm going to give it as... So this is the first button, that is gym membership plans. Okay, using this button, the customer can find out the gym membership plans that I have. Now I want to add another button. So now for the other button, I'm going to write it as... Personal training. Okay, so over here with the help of this button they can find out the plans for the personal trainings as well. And lastly, I'm going to add another button. You can add only 3 buttons in a message. So with the button over here, I'm going to write it as book a free trial. Okay, so this is the last button right over here with the help of which the customer can book a free trial as a demo in my gym. Okay, so these are the 3 buttons. So now what is going to be forwarded towards my customer if they select the gym membership plans option over here from the buttons. For that, drag this point from here and drop it right over here. And for the choose content type, I'm going to select it as media right here, as now I'm going to send my customer a brochure of my gym membership monthly plans that I have. Over here for the file type, I'm going to send them a PDF. So I'm going to select as document right here. You can also select image, video, or audio according to your requirement. And after that, over here it is asking me to paste a URL. Instead of pasting a URL, I'm going to upload a file right over here. For that, I'm going to click on this button right here. As I'm going to do that, you can find all my brochures that I've created. So this is my gym monthly brochure plan. So I'm going to select this brochure and open it right here. And as I'm going to do that, within few seconds, this file is automatically going to be uploaded in this message right here. You can see it is uploaded. Okay, so as now the document is uploaded, I want to add a caption to this document as well. So for the caption over here, I'm going to write it as, so this is the caption that I have right over here that says transform your body, start at $999 per month, check out our latest plans. Okay, so you can see that I've added this caption right over here with this brochure. Okay, so as I've added the caption over here for this gym membership plans, now I want to add the brochure for the personal training button as well right away. For that, I'm going to drag it and drop it. Content type is going to be media, so I'm going to select the media. Media file is going to be document right over here. I'm going to upload another file. So I've created one more PDF right over here. So this is for the personal training plan. So I'm going to select this brochure and upload it right over here. Within few seconds, the file is going to be uploaded in this message right here. After that, over here it is asking for the captions. For the caption over here, I'm going to write it as, so we have added the caption. Okay, the caption says personalized training from $1999 month. Reach out your goals faster. Okay, so this is the caption right over here for my message. Okay, now over here, as they're going to find the brochure, the customer might also find a doubt. Okay, so now in order to solve their doubt, I want to send them some contact details so that they can directly contact us via mail or directly from call. Now for doing that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a button right over here. For that, click on this add button, and for the text over here, I'm going to write it as contact us. Okay, using this button they can get our support team details as well. Now for doing that, for the data of this contact us field, I'm going to enter a message right over here, and for the message I'm going to write it as, so this is the message that I have for contact us field. Got questions? We're here to help. Reach out to the FitHub team for any inquiries about membership, personal training, or trial bookings. Email as fithub@pabblytudes.com or call or WhatsApp on this number. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. So I've given the trainer's details right over here with our gym detail as the email address as well right here. Okay, if they have any further doubts about this brochure. So now in the similar manner, I want to add a button right here. So I'm going to add a button over here of contact us. Now for this contact us button, I want to send this same message right here. So I don't want to just repeat the step again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply connect this contact us button to this message as well. Okay, so both of the contact us buttons are connected to this message right here. Okay, so after doing that, there is a last step right here, that is book a free trial. Now over here in this message, I'm going to send the customer a form link with the help of which they can book a free trial in my gym. Okay, so this is the form that I've created, and I'm going to attach the link of this form in the message that I'm going to write for book a free trial right over here. And for the message over here, I'm going to write it as, so over here, this is the message that I have written. That is, I'm going to scroll up. Hey, dollar full name. I've added the full name of my customer. Thanks for checking out FitHub. We attach our latest brochure with all the details and membership and personal training plans starting at $999 month. Excited to try us out? You can book us free trial and experience our gym firsthand. No commitment, just pure fitness vibes. Fill out the quick form to book your trial now. This is the form link that I've entered. Our team will get in touch with you to confirm your visit. See you soon. Stay strong, stay fit. Okay, so this is the message that is going to be forwarded towards my customer if they select this option, that is book a free trial. Okay, so this is how I've created this gym bot right over here, and now we are going to test this gym bot. For testing the gym bot, we have to first save all the things that we have done right here. For that, click on the save button on the top right corner to save this bot. It says flow updated successfully. As now the WhatsApp chatbot has been now successfully updated right over here. So now let us test it. And how can we test it? Now what we are going to do is, I'm going to send a message to this bot right over here. And after sending the message, I'm going to check whether I receive the messages automatically through this bot or not. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to send a message to this bot right over here. For that, what I'm going to do is, over here, I'm going to write it as, hey, what are your gym membership plans? Okay, what are your gym membership plans? So this is the question that I have. So now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to send this question over here to this bot right here. And as I've sent the question, automatically in few seconds we're going to receive a message that says, hey there, welcome to FitHub. To get started, may I know your full name? So the full name, let's suppose I'm going to write over here as Aditi Singh. Okay, so this is the full name right away, Aditi Singh. And as I've done that, it says, nice to meet you, Aditi Singh. Could you please share your email address so that we can send you a brochure or offers? So for the email address over here, I'm going to write it as aditi@pabblytudes.com. Okay, so this is the email address. So I'm going to send this email address right here. It says, thanks Aditi Singh, welcome to FitHub, where fitness meets fun. Level up your fitness with personal training starting at $199 per month. Get expert guidance, faster results, and full support. Would you like to explore our plans? I want to know about the gym membership plan. So I'm going to select this button right over here from this message. And as I've done that, within few seconds, I've received the brochure for the gym monthly. So I'm going to download this brochure from here and I'm going to open this brochure. You can see it is the monthly plan brochure of my gym right over here that I've received from the bot. Okay. With that, you can see it says transform your body starting at $999 per month. Check out our latest plans. Okay, if I'm going to click on this contact us button right over here, you can see I've received the message in which I've received the email address and the phone number of the support team right over here, as well as I've clicked on this contact us button. I want to know about the personal training as well, so I'm going to select the button right here. As I've done that, you can see over here we've received the message again in which you have received the personal training brochure. I'm going to open this brochure. This is over here for the personal training as well. You can see right over, these are all the PT trainings right here as well. Okay, so we have received the brochure for the personal training as well. And lastly, if I'm going to click on this book a trial over here, you can see I've received the message at hey Aditi, and over here we've received the link of the form. If I'm going to open the link over here, this is for the free booking trial. You can see right here with all the questions that I can help to book a free trial in this gym right here. Okay, so as you can see that we have received all the messages automatically. This means this bot that we have created using Pabbly Chatflow is now successfully working. But as a business owner, as a gym owner, you want to check all the conversations between your bot and your customer. For that, from the left side of the panel, go to inbox, open this in a new tab right over here. You can see over here, this is the inbox in which you can see all the conversations between you, your bot, or your customers. Okay, so these are all my customers. If I'm going to select this is the same conversation that we had right now with our customer. This was the form link over here. This was the brochure right over here. These are the details. You can see as we have clicked on contact us, these are same messages and the questions that we have received. You can see right over here as well. Okay, so you can see all the conversation between you and your bot in this inbox right here. Now, as we have added our contact custom field details, how can we check whether the data is added? For that, go to the contact custom fields, and in the email, you can see this is the email that is added. The name is Aditi Singh. You can see right over here. Okay, so in this manner, you can see the contact custom fields are also added. Okay, so this is the conversation between bot and the customer. You can see right over here, which you can check. Okay, so over here you can see as we have received the messages successfully by our bot. This means this bot that we have created with Pabbly Chatflow is now successfully working. And there you have it, your very own gym WhatsApp bot built completely using Pabbly Chatflow. You saw how easy it is to guide users, collect their details, promote your gym services, all through automated conversations. Want to try it yourself? we give you 100 free credit points so that you can start building your own bots and testing your own chatbots right away, no upfront cost. Just head to Pabbly Chatflow, start building and bring your automation ideas to life. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not just this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple other chatbots according to your need with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any question, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can ask us query on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can check out this link. If you want to try to create this bot for yourself, for your business, you can do it absolutely for free with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.